Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed aquatic ecosystem, starting from the classification. As you know that we divided into freshwater ecosystem and marine ecosystems. So in freshwater system, we discussed about ponds, lakes, and wetlands, bogs. These are the standing water or Atlantic, and running water or lotic, that is river, stream, and spring. This is classified for the freshwater ecosystem. In marine ecosystem, I told you about brackish water, that is delta estuary, and the saline water system also there, coastal shallows, coral reefs, and deep ocean. So these are the classification of aquatic ecosystem. So we discussed earlier pond ecosystem and various lake ecosystem, that is part of your standing water or Atlantic, which is under freshwater ecosystem. Now we are moving further, that is stream or river ecosystem, that is a part of running water or lotic. So in this we will discuss, that is various biotic communities of lotic are flowing water ecosystem, especially adapted for different rate of water current. Some species are there like snails and various burrowing animals which can withstand with rapid flow of stream in hilly areas, and other species are also there like beetles which are adaptable for slow moving water, and some fishes are also like with this river stream or for breeding, and they need non-polluted crystal clear water for breeding. But unfortunately nowadays you see that we are contaminating water, means we are polluting the water. So this river or streams are polluted, so it will affect indirectly or directly to these kind of creatures. So chief producer are also there like algae, cladrophora, and various diatoms, mosses, and fontanelles. These are observed in the stream or this river ecosystem. And deforestation is also an impact of this harmful impact on this environment, that is aquatic ecosystem. So now these are converted into you can see that flash floods in rainy season and dryness after monsoon, these kind of things you can see, observe. Now we are moving further, another part of this ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem, that is your marine ecosystem. You know that Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, the main marine ecosystem in India, peninsular India. The sea is shallow in this coastal area and deep further away. So the producer in this continental shelf region mainly these are phytoplanktic diatoms and flagellates. So near seashore, large seaweeds are found, and green algae, brown algae, and different kind of producers. That is, plants are producer. So zooplankton, that is scorpids, crustaceans, protozoans, and jellyfish, different kind of oysters and worms. These are found there, and also the banthos, that is bottom dwellers, crabs, tiger beetles, and different kind of amphipods, oysters, mussels, and corals. These are found in these areas, that is marine ecosystem. So further, if we discuss different big animals, big fishes, you can see that whale is also there. So shallow areas like Kutch, means near in the Gujarat region, Andaman Nicobar Island also there. So coral biodiversity is found in these areas. So few of thousand species of fishes, crustaceans, and jellyfishes are polyps, and corals are found in these regions. Again, the deforestation is a major impact on the death of these kind of man actually man-induced activities in this particular areas. So the coastal ecosystem is getting harmful effect for the from this, and this particular marine ecosystem is disturbed, and it is not sustainable now. It is finishing its sustainability. So fishing and all type of activities in these kind of marine ecosystem, excessive things are going on. So this is a harmful effect on this environment, yani ecosystem, that is aquatic ecosystem. So This is disturbing element. Seashore ecosystem, different type of beaches, sandy, rocky, and shelf covered or muddy. You see that in beaches also what we are doing nowadays. So crabs and all type of various species and shorebirds which are coming for migration for their breeding purpose and different type of activities, but fishermen and various kind of activities by human beings, they are disturbing them. So utilization of aquatic ecosystem, that is humans are using aquatic ecosystem for drinking purpose and other domestic purpose. So water is also essential part for irrigation of agriculture. Fisher folk can also they are also using that aquatic ecosystem, and edible plants and also the crabs and fishes, we are using it, like whosoever is near to this areas. So people living near this marshes and wetland getting benefited from this. This is the utility of aquatic ecosystem. So it is also used for this electricity purpose, or you can say irrigation industry. So tribal areas also dependent on them. But serious ill effects nowadays, like dams are there and different kind of excessive irrigation things are going on. So these are the impacts on the aquatic ecosystem, that is negative impacts. Now threat to ecosystem, that is you can see aquatic ecosystem, lakes and rivers, entry of industrial sewage, or you can say different kind of chemicals, solid waste, and different kind of bodies, oxygen content, and fishes, and that is disturbing these overall ecosystem. Excessive use of fertilizers in the irrigation, and which is runoff into the this aquatic ecosystem. Pesticides and contamination of heavy metals from industry, these all things are killing this different kind of creature which are found in this aquatic ecosystem. So this, in this way, we can see that pollution is occurring in overall ecosystem, whether it is a desert or whether it is uh, different kind of other systems. So this is all about our second unit, that is ecosystem. We discussed various kind of ecosystem, like aquatic ecosystem, this grassland ecosystem, desert ecosystem, and various kind of pyramids, structural and function aspects of this ecosystem, and food webs and food chains. Further, we are moving towards Unit 3 tomorrow onwards. This is about the environmental pollution, which is a major issue nowadays. So, thanks for listening, and just do your studies very well. Thanks.